Welcome everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to find square root of such a big number. The only thing given in this entire details is that this is a perfect square. Means here the answer will not have a decimal point. Okay, this is very important. If it had a decimal point, then the entire approach will change. Okay, now the first thing is we need to see this is how many digits. You will count and you will realize this is 6 digits. So we need to check whether the answer has 2 digit, 3 digit or 4 digit. Okay, so now let's do 100 square. 100 square is nothing but, what can I say, it is 5 digit, 1 and 4 zeros. Total it has 5 digits. And 1000 square is basically how many? 7 digits. Why? Because 6 zeros and 1, so it gets you 7 digit. So now 6 digit is lying between 100 and 1000, means this particular uh, answer has just 3 digits in it. Okay, now let's keep the digits as what? A, B and C. Okay, now see, first thing what we can do is let's try to understand what will be the value of C. Now C, last digit. For C we just need to focus on the last digit. Now last digit is 6. So we need to check from 0 to 9 which number square gets you the value of 6. So you will realize that either 4, because 4 square is 16, so last digit is coming out to be 6, and 6 square, which is 36. Again there the last digit is coming out to be 6. So here I can say that the value of 6C will be nothing but what? Either 4 or 6. Till now we could figure out this much. Okay, next thing which you need to realize is, see, we are finding square root. Okay, so we need to cancel 2 digits from your right. And now we'll focus on 1115, means 1115. Now here, first let's try and understand what will be the value of A. For that we'll try and understand squares of 20, 30 and 40. Here, please realize that the value of your answer has to be lesser, closer but lesser than 1115. This comes out to be 400, this comes out to be 900. So obviously 400 is gone because the 900 is closer. Now this comes out to be around 1600. This is also gone because it is greater than 1115. So by default, I can say that the of A value of A will be what? It will be in 300s. The answer for our entire question will lie between 300 to 400. Okay, now next thing what we should do in this case is let's try to find out the value of B. Now we know that 1,115 is lying between 30 and 40. So what we'll do is let's try and find out the square of 35. Now square of any number ending in 5 is nothing but what? First we'll put the last 2 digits, which is 5 square, that is 25. And then we multiply 3 to the next number, which is what? 4. So 3 into 4 gets you 12. Now see, if this answer was greater than 1115, if it was greater, then you would have selected the higher value between 4 and 6, that is 6. But since it is lesser, then you will select the smaller value, which is what? 4. So by default, here the answer comes out to be, this value comes out to be 3, and here the answer for value for C is nothing but 4. So I can say that the square root of 1,11,556 is nothing but what? 334. So I hope you have understood how to solve these tricky looking square root questions without calculator. You don't have to worry about anything. Okay, please understand this entire question can also be solved by adjustments and making this entire question as nothing but what? Expanding and everything, and then you write this as nothing but what? Square, and put it under a square root. That also works, but I found that method quite tricky and a lot of people don't realize how to solve this, so I thought that let's do it this way. This is the standard method of finding square roots of perfect squares. Okay, That's it for today. I will see you in the next video.